there is something with Varun Dhawan, Rohit Dhawan and David Dhawan. So that is another segment that we are planning to do. So this is a kind of a generational connect that we are trying to offer. We have very renowned film critics who will come and share their experiences and talk about the way cinema has moved ahead. You have Rajiv Masand, Bhavan Sumaya, Anupma Chopra, everyone coming in. You have a whole set of female directors coming in, Gauri Shinde, Meghna Gulzar, they'll all be here to discuss. Akshay Kumar would be there at the opening ceremony. So we are working towards making it a very strong kind of a very entertaining thematic kind of an opening and closing ceremony.
49th इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवलाची सुरवात 20 नोव्हेंबराक श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमांतल्यान जातली. 8 दीस चलपी ह्या फेस्टिवलाक अराउंड 200 मुवीज दाखोवपाचे आसा. ओपनिंग सेरेमनी खातीर अक्षय कुमार येवपाचे आसात. तशेंच फेस्टिवला वेळार राष्ट्रीय तशेंच अंतरराष्ट्रीय पांवड्यावयले जायते कलाकार सुद्धा ह्या फेस्टिवलाक हजेरी लायतले. ह्या फेस्टिवलाची तयारी जय्यत सुरवात जाल्ली आसा. कॅमेरामॅन तुळशीदास च्यारी वांगडा सचिन सुल्लीकर, प्रुडंटा खातीर.